JMWE or Jira Miscellaneous Workflow Extensions has three major components: conditions, validators, and post functions. This video gives you a brief overview of the post function component. A post function is a set of one or more actions that you can perform when a transition occurs. Unlike validators, it won't stop a transition from completing. The post functions component works after a transition has completed. For example, you want to automatically assign an issue to the project lead when it's transitioned to code review. Click the post functions link. Click Add Post Function to open a list of post functions and select the required one. Select the Assign Issues JMWE app option from the list displayed. Selecting this option helps you to assign a work item automatically. Scroll down and click the Add button to open the Assign Issues page. In the Target Issues field, select the Current Issue option from the drop-down menu. By selecting this option, you choose to affect only the current issue and not any other issues. In the Assign To field, select the Project Lead option from the drop-down menu. This option assigns the issue to the user configured as the project lead. In the Assignment Behavior field, select the Always option. In the Advanced Options, select the checkbox for Allow Jira to send notifications for this change. This will notify the project lead about the change. Click the Add button. Note that the post function outcome may not be visible immediately. To summarize, post functions are a set of actions that occur after the transition. You can configure numerous actions, including updating fields and transitioning or assigning issues. This example illustrates an issue being automatically assigned to the project lead when the status changes to code review.